First and most important, take your time. As in, you cannot procrastinate, cover all of the lessons in a couple of days, and expect that all of the topics that you learn in this course will remain in your memory. Of course, unless you have eidetic memory. So don't go all in when starting with this course, as in I'll binge through all of the videos and all of the examples. Take your time. Take breaks between the lessons, practice with the examples after each covered lesson. To gain knowledge of all of the topics in this course takes much more than the length of the videos in this course. And surely this course has enough material for several weeks. This course is heavily based on examples, as while doing it yourself, practicing with examples, this is a very good way so that knowledge sticks with you. And when practicing, add a couple of more requirements by yourself. By some needs, expand the use cases of the examples, and just play around. One tip, invest into a notebook. As it is proven when we write down notes, the knowledge sticks better with us. So buy a physical one and write notes when going through the lessons. So investment of couple cents should pay several times over. The course is structured so that we start with simple lessons and progress to a little bit more advanced ones. But the knowledge from previous lessons is needed for the future ones. Almost every lesson has a resource assigned to it. So be sure to check that out, and it usually contains some examples that we've gone through the course or even some additional materials. So be sure to practice that out. And it's not a problem if you make errors, as that is a good way to learn. When you fix your errors, you'll be sure you know what was the problem, and you'll perform much better on the actual job or on the exam. After each lesson, there's a small quiz with questions to recap the knowledge of the section. Those are a little bit easier questions than they would appear on the actual exam. For the simulation of the exam, we have 2 practice tests which simulate the same conditions. So it's timed, has an exact number of questions, and they are quite similar as on the actual exam. Of course, if you forgot some topics from previous lessons, don't hesitate and go back and research more. Look through your notes and so on. Without holding back, let's start with the lessons.